Just put everything in a bowl, and you'll want to make this every morning. In a bowl, let's start by adding 3 eggs. Add a cup of oil. A cup of milk. Three cups of tapioca flour. A cup of cheese. I used mozzarella here. A little salt. Now let's mix all of this really well. Once that's done, now we just need to pour it into our baking pan. Bake at 200 degrees for 30 minutes and look everyone, how amazing this cheese bread turns out. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. Big hugs to you all. See you next time, and thanks.